Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to the gallery. Firstly, let's open the gallery. And as you can see, I have one photo and one video here in the gallery. And now let's open Google Photos. If you want to save only one photo, if you want to transfer it to the gallery, just tap at this photo, then click at the three dots at the right top, and click Download. After that, let's return to the gallery, and as you can see, I have one more photo here. Okay, what about if you want to transfer few photos? You need to select them. After that, right here at the bottom, we have options to share or create an album or delete this photo. You need to move it to the left. And if you have iOS, you need to find Save to Device button. Or if you have Android, you need to find Download button. Then tap at this button. We need to wait a bit. Okay, and let's move to the gallery. And as you can see, I just transfer it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.